go. So this was before. You got the headlights in there?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay, they're shitty looking. And we got these bad boys. Oh. I'm changing. Let's see what we can do, Carl. Okay, come over here.
Okay, I'm just trying to put my gloves on. My hands are cold.
Oh.
But I can't with one hand.
Okay, well, let me see this for a sec.
Okay, yeah, just let me.
So we're gonna come in here. This is a 2011 Kia Soul. Just got this thing undercoated, so it's got shit all over it. And that's what we're doing. You ready?
No, sorry, I think.
Okay. In here. We're gonna get this bad boy out.
You already ruined the white gloves.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, there we go. So you undo the clip. And then you get this. This is your bulb. Like so. And then you just bing, pull that out. And then you take your new bulb. Sexy LEDs. Sexy LEDs. And by the way, we're in Canada if you didn't know. Like, take a look around. This shit's fucking cold.
Snowy.
And then, look at that. Connections. Oh. Bing! And then you put this thing, I hope it fits back in with the cap, to be honest, but I don't know.
Oh no. That doesn't sound good.
It'll be good.
Okay.
I'll ram it in there.
Alright.
Who designs this? Who the fuck designs this shit? Yep, this will be fucking amazing, eh? There, one appears to be in, so let's get an after. Watch it not even turn on. No?
No.
The headlight's not on?
No.
It didn't even turn on?
No. No. It did not.
Wow.
This one didn't either though.
Oh, this side didn't?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we gotta do both. Alright. Oh shit.
Oh!
There you go. And then there's a hose up here. I guess it fell out of its little unit. So we'll just put that, I guess probably for the headlight bulb. Then we'll go. What have I done? What have I done? Holy shit, these wires though. There we go. Pull that out. So let's try this one. Hopefully they turn on.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because they both have to be plugged in. Like
Could be.
the
We'll
LED
see.
life. Okay. Let's see if this thing's on. No?
No.
What a fail.
Oh no.
Why don't they even turn on?
Oh no.
Does this thing have to be on? No. Wow. Well, eh? It appears that the car doesn't like these. Maybe I'll try turning the car on.
They're on. There we go.
Why the fuck did they turn on?
There we go.
Apparently you gotta have the fucking car on.
There we go.
That LED's bright.